Okay. Good morning. Today our topic is how to make a domestic applications of PVC connections. So water connections based on the design. Okay. What is this? PVC. Can you tell the explanations of PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Anybody, can you tell the size of this pipe? Half inch or all? Half inch. That is not technical. Okay. We can buy this pipe without the thread forming. The length pipes are available in hardware stores. Okay. At the time we can buy that pipe based on the requirement size by. Then only we arrange the materials and as per plan we cut the pipe and making a thread. This is a thread sheds. Okay. What is this? Dye. Steel or plastic dye? Steel dye. What is the application of this dye? Forming threads. Okay, forming threads. Internal dye or external dye? What is this? How it's forming the thread? Inside or outside? How? Based on the. It is impossible to go inside the pipe. This is an external dye. Okay, wow. Anybody doing the forming the thread? Are you interested? Please do it. This is a specially designed for PVC pipe holding applications. Not only for the thread making purpose, they can make any cutting works or forming the threading or small holes making inside or connecting the two more pipes. That purpose this device is used. Okay. So don't extend the length. Please ensure if you extend the length more than the size or more than the pipe length, it may be chances to vibrating while forming the threading. Please ensure. Is this correct position to forming the thread? You adjust the size, yeah. This is correct. Please do it. What are you doing? Tight the? What is the purpose? Why giving the more tight? Why? That's okay. Why we give the more pressures on the screw? If not right now, what happened? Transformers. Why?
Joining them.
Please see in this side. So first of all, the ensure this weight is more than the pipe. What happened? Maybe chances the length is very high now. If the weight this weight is more high. At the time, it may be chance to break the pipe. If break the what happened? So during the process, what happened? Pipe would be waste. Pipe waste, what happened? Our cost is waste. Done. Our time is waste. Energy also waste. So before we doing this process, properly follow the procedures of forming the thread. Okay, wow. Please do it. Rotated both side or one side. Don't give more tight, yeah. If you give the tight, maybe chances too. So you are not properly inserted.